Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Laurel, the artsy accountant, and today I'm going to be doing some cleaning, some Christmas decorating. I'm going to be doing some organization. I have another lazy meal idea for you guys, and I'll have a quick little haul at the very end. Really short, just a few things I picked up for me and for baby girl. So let's get on into it. So I started off by turning on a Christmas movie. Always got to do that during the holidays. Emmeline seemed to really like this Scrooge movie. It has a lot of singing and dancing in it. And then I just got to it and I pretty much just dumped all of her toys in her playpen, moved it out of the way, and did some vacuuming. She's really been liking her playpen. It's new, but I think on this day she really liked having the whole floor to herself again. She's rolling a lot and trying to crawl, so she was all over the place. And I'm using this pet hair remover as well as a lint roller. It's a really lazy way to get up dog hair when you don't have a ton of time. I will also link the roller down below. It's from Amazon and it works awesome. Everything is put away and in its place. I keep the dog tools right behind the couch and then move Justin's stuff just for fun. It feels so good having the living room clean. Another project I want to work on is behind the couch. It's been this way for about 3 years and I just want something a little nicer. So I'm going to move these picture frames over to the mantle and decorate it for Christmas. Now it's time to tackle this desk area behind the couch. I did work from home after Emmeline was born and I worked here in the living room, but it's just not working out anymore. I work upstairs and Justin watches her while I work now, so there's no need to have this down here and it's just a magnet for mess, so time to get it out the way and get the Christmas tree in instead. And this is a little embarrassing. This is the current situation upstairs. I am trying to get my work area cleaned up again before tax season. I managed to get everything kind of separated and divided and really condensed down and moved over here. And I did get this side of the room cleaned up, so progress. Now that I have a space cleared out in my office upstairs, I can move the desk up there. I'm just taking off the legs so that it's easier to move upstairs. Well, that was a lot so far. That took me about a week to get that area cleared out and to get the Christmas tree up and to get decorated. And we're not done yet. I have at least one more project to show you. I just want to take a break to share with you guys a Christmas gift I made for Justin. It is a calendar I make for him every year. This year is my favorite because it's filled with pictures of Emmeline. Okay, last project. This area I call my landing zone. This is where everything gets dumped. It's also like the junk drawer, but it's really junk drawers. It does not fit in this little drawer up here, so that's why I had all of these containers underneath. But it's kind of hard to like reach down there if you need something, and it's kind of hard to reach up into the basket to drop my stuff in. Now, when I get home from work, I can just dump all of my stuff right in here, my laptop, my purse. These are some cookies I need to take to work tomorrow. So everything is right here and ready to go for my day. And yes, there is some Pioneer Woman in this drawer, a little pop of pink. And on this night, I was getting ready for an exam, and I want to show you guys how I organize my folder and honestly how I organize any paperwork. These are on Amazon. I like just having a list of everything in the folder and just shoving everything in the folder. I used to use binders and that was just too much to keep up with. I like that it's still visual. I still know everything that I have. If I print something that I'm going to need later on, I know where to grab it. I love this system. Now for my quick and lazy meal idea using some riced cauliflower and some steakums. I made this the other day with just the eggs and the rice, but I felt like it needed some meat. Well, this is really cheap and quick way to add that, especially with these rising grocery prices. I just added some taco sauce and it turned out really good. It doesn't look as good as it tasted, but it tasted great. Now for my little mini haul, it's really not much, but I just wanted to show you guys some things I picked up. This is my Christmas gift to myself, these Ello containers. I've wanted them for a while. I really want the glass ones, but I figure I'll start with the plastic, see how those work out. I'm going to use these to prep my lunches. There's like a big container for salads and a little one for dressing. This one is for meal prep, and it comes with a little divider. And then the other blue container is like a nice and tall container. I think I'll use this for soups. And there's a lot of space still in here, but I'm sure I will be adding to my collection. And these are some pajamas I picked up for M. I feel like I'm constantly getting new clothes. I was just seeing how they would pair with this cute little deer hat. Got her some warmer type pajamas with long sleeves. I think these are 2T. She's going to be in that size real soon. I love these colors and that you can mix and match. I also started buying her these pajama sets, but I just let her wear them as, you know, regular outfits. They're a lot cheaper and they're nice and stretchy, so they last longer. I thought these ones are really cute. This is her in her yellow top and her green outfit. This is the last thing I wanted to share with you guys. It's a dream soother. It plays ocean sounds and it plays music. The little animals move around and I love the lights that they move like waves. And then the little star button, M can actually turn it on and off in her crib at night. And that's it for the haul, and then just some behind the scenes of M's 8-month pictures. Thank you guys for watching. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.